What is up, everyone? Happy 2020. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I've just been working a lot, and now I have a week off of work. I take some vacation, and I was also waiting for stuff to come in. Something from Awesome Collector. Ordered this last year, around July, I think. I put it for pre-order. Just came. That's open. Have the SH Monsterarts Rodan and Mothra set from the film Godzilla King of the Monsters. Been waiting on this long enough. Now we pretty much have the entire story and the entire roster. Let's open some more. First off, let's look at the box. Box is awesome. I love the orange for Rodan and the blue for Mothra. Just looking awesome. Rodan was more aligned with King Ghidorah in the film, so, gold, orange, colors like that. But Mothra is aligned with Godzilla, so the blues make absolute perfect sense. Plus the way how when Mothra first became an adult and she spread her wings, just looked awesome with that awesome music playing. Just okay. First, I guess it's supposed to help protect both figures. Let's get Mothra out first, the Queen of the Monsters. And, oh boy. So right off the bat, holding her in my hand like this, she feels like a real moth, like the size like a moth would actually be in someone's hand. And, very small and very flimsy. Look, my thumb is like the same size as like her torso. Now, good posability so far with the wings. And her front talons don't really move that much. I mean, they do, but I don't want to overdo it and end up ripping them off because that'd be really dickish to do to Mothra. Awesome. Very fragile, I'd say. Not terribly fragile, but awesome. The sculpt on her is great. I love the coloring as well. I have to watch the movie again. Give you an excuse to watch the movie again. I don't remember her face being that orange. I mean, I think it was orange, when she was fighting with Rodan, because Rodan was pretty much Fire Rodan in the film. But most of the time I thought it was like either like the fur on her face or like the feathers on her face are actually white. But, once again, I'll watch again. Now, the last thing about her is her stinger that comes out the butt. It's not really there. Now, she used that in the film to battle with Rodan and end the fight. So, still, awesome. Awesome little grab. And I believe she comes with a stand. Well, they both come with stands. So there's like that. Oh, wait, here we go. Like that. Like that. And Mothra. That doesn't say. The only thing that I would say bad about this so far, not saying it's entirely bad, is that other SH Monsterarts figures, whenever they would come with a base like this, it would actually say the name and have like a little emblem from the film. maybe would have cost more money to do that, but I don't think so. So maybe I'll create my own little sticker for it, say Godzilla King of the Monsters, or just have like a Mothra emblem, like the SH Monsterarts Mothra and Batra both had. And now we can take Mothra, and I think this is actually for Rodan. Huh. Did I goof? I think I goofed. No. Yeah, I goofed. This is for Rodan, I think. Wait, no. Wait, no. Yeah, I goofed. That's for something else. So, let's get on to Rodan. Oh. Okay, I like Rodan much more than Mothra. The sculpt, the look looks right out of the film. Okay, posability for the wings, awesome. Great flapping. The legs, a little stiff. I already popped the foot off, great. Looks awesome. Love the coloring. I love the sculpt. Looks awesome. The only thing that I would have added to this is like some accents in the paint for the wings, because it was pretty much like a Fire Rodan when he came out of the volcano, and that burning patches all over his wings would actually linger throughout the entire movie. So that's the one thing I would change about this, but other than that, this thing is awesome. Okay, just for the Rodan on its own, I mean, I wouldn't have spent what I would have spent for just Rodan by himself. It's worth it to have both figures, but this is awesome. Let's see if this actually fits Rodan. Yep, it does. So that there is for Rodan to be on. And this other part is for Mothra. Of course it is. Here they are. Okay. Awesome set. Let me get rid of the boxes. A little protective casket. All that other nonsense. Don't need them. They're going to keep them, of course. But Mothra and Rodan. Titanus Mothra and Titanus Rodan. Both awesome figures. And they go very well together. Once again, I'm going to watch the film actually right after I'm done recording this. I'm going to edit it while watching it. And could have sworn Mothra was a little bit bigger than that, her torso. But, I have a bad brain nowadays. I probably forget. But these figures look awesome together, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to be showing pictures because, yeah, they do look small as of right now where you're seeing them, but I will show pictures. Also, I did the little video as well. I'm going to do another video right here. And these things are awesome. I love them. Okay, thank you very much, Awesome Collector. Okay, Rodan, Earthquake Test. No, he's not going anywhere. Mothra. She's not going anywhere. And I don't think I want to bring down Ghidorah, but let's see what they look like compared to Godzilla. Right in the middle, we have Godzilla with Rodan and Mothra. Both looking awesome. With the King of the Monsters. Awesome. Now that I see how Mothra looks compared to Godzilla, she was really small in the film, because I remember her crawling on his back to have to give him energy. So they might have got that right, but once again, I'll watch it. And if I don't finish editing this before I finish the film, I'll probably put in probably tie in something like right about here where, I was wrong or something. Okay, so now we have both of them along with Godzilla. Let's bring down Ghidorah. here we are. The entire cast of Godzilla King of the Monsters. And they all look amazing together. I might actually reorganize my shelf and have them all have their own shelf just by themselves, you know, together. Then again, have the other Ghidorahs as well. So yeah, we'll figure that out. But Mothra and Rodan, awesome set together. They look great. You know, I think Rodan looks a lot better than Mothra. Mothra does look good, but the Rodan figure is actually the one that I really favor. And that's really the show. Nothing really else to talk about. Waiting on other things, more from Awesome Collector, some things from Flossie's Gifts. But this is Gojit851 saying goodnight. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Get ready for another gameplay through because I'm not really a fan of Twitch. So I'm going to be putting more gameplay videos back onto YouTube. Roll the dice. Hopefully things go well with that. Other than that, I'll catch y'all at the next unboxing or vlog type style video. Alright, take it easy.